All right, guys, you ready to go? Where are we going right now?
Like this. Like this.
Very nice. Jacob, come back, sit down. And you ready to go?
Yeah.
Where are we going? Jacob.
I want my sheep.
Oh my goodness.
Whoa, we're going
All right, guys, where are we going?
in the wind on the walk.
All right, very nice.
On the walk.
Yeah.
To walk.
We're going on a walk? Are you ready to go? Oh, you got a truck in his hand. So you gotta let the truck go. Oh, what are you doing? You're what? What sheepy is that? Are you excited? Do you guys hear the rain? We're gonna take our umbrellas. We got our boots on.
Hey, is my sheep gonna get wet?
Your sheep might get wet
Why?
because there's rain falling from the sky. Jacob, why are you having me zip up your sheep inside this bag here?
Because I don't want it to get wet.
Doesn't want it to get wet. Very nice. Very smart. What about you, little boy? You want your truck to get wet? You want a bag? No? So what do you guys think about rain that falls from the sky? Not sure? What about you, Canaan? You don't know either? It's gonna be great. Look, he's got the truck in his hand. He doesn't want to let it go. So it's kind of hard to... There's the truck. Can you see it?
You
All
can't
right.
see it.
We gotta zip up. Whoop. Hood on. He's ready. All right. And there they go. Bye. Okay, let's open up your umbrella. Okay, there's one.
Open it.
Out into the rain. Here we go. Wow, look at the rain. Beautiful. Let's go. Why is she what? I don't know. I do not have keys. Canaan, your umbrella goes up like this. It goes over your head. There you go. 2 hands. There you go. Over your head. Which way should we go?
That way.
What are we making right now?
Airplanes.
Tell us what we're making.
Airplanes.
Oh, not airplanes.
Boats.
We're making paper boats. Let's do this. All right, Jacob, what do we got here?
A boat.
A boat? Are you ready to put it in the water?
Yeah.
Very nice. Let's take a look at this boat. I mean, it's just a simple little contraption. I'm not a boat expert. Sue me. Looking good. Got our boats. Are you ready to race your boat? Oh yeah.
Following the boat.
It's kind of floating to the side there, but not too bad.